Brides and grooms have had to scale down their weddings throughout the pandemic and now must wait longer to celebrate like old times.
It was unfair for for our industry to see 15, 20, 30,000 people at a major event, and yet we were still hampered by the restrictions that are in place. So there was a bit of a double standard.
The Ford government says spaces with dancing, including wedding venues, nightclubs, and adult entertainment facilities, will have to wait until November 15th to have capacity limits lifted, while others like restaurants and gyms get the go-ahead Monday. Carmen's Group CEO PJ Mercanti says the company is facing a backlog of postponements.
Easily amongst all of our venues, about 400 weddings to execute upon. And a lot of these are rebooked events, couples that have rebooked 3, 4, 5 times.
Monday will launch the province's gradual plan to remove all public health measures. They're aiming to have them all gone by March. In its roadmap to a full reopening, the province is planning to remove proof of vaccination requirements as early as January 17th.
I think people are wanting to see the end, and so the government, by setting out these time points for lifting things, is sort of giving a lot of us, a lot of people, our communities, what they would like to hear.
McMaster Professor of Infectious Diseases Dr. Fiona Smale says she's not against the plan as long as cases are low and spread is monitored. The province says changes will happen if conditions worsen throughout the winter.
And I would also say that vaccination rates ideally should be increasing before we have sort of comfort with that decision about opening the nightclubs.
The province says one of the last measures that could potentially be lifted is masking in indoor spaces, which could be as early as March 28th. Nicole?